Hi, I'm Sid Sahrawat here at Cassia with Woop. Today I'm going to take you through one of our sort of spin on our Indian roast dinner, grilled lamb steaks with mashed potato, broccoli, red onion, and a delicious korma sauce. Super easy to cook at home. These are par-cooked potatoes. Well, we're just going to take a little bit of fork and just squish them a little bit so they kind of go nice and crisp when we start caramelizing them. I'm just going to make sure they're nice and even in size, which these are, so it's perfect. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this stem off. So this dish is a quite nice balance of beautiful New Zealand lamb and then amazing broccolini, potatoes, all things you want in a delicious roast. And that korma sauce kind of elevates it with that kind of herbaceousness and all those Indian flavors. I'm just going to slice it nice and thin. Then we're going to move on to our coriander. Curry leaves are already picked, which is perfect. Then we just take the coriander. Just going to go for a nice fine slice. So this will be used towards the end just to garnish the lamb and the potatoes. It's beautiful garlic and thyme oil. I'm going to put some of that and a touch of oil. I'm going to start caramelizing those mashed potatoes. So kind of nice and away from each other so they're not with the salt and pepper. These onions and just cook them briefly. Just a quick minute or so. And then goes in your broccolini. So while the potatoes are caramelizing and the broccolini is cooking, I'm going to start seasoning the lamb. I prefer to season the meat generously on the first go. So once I carve the meat, I don't season it at all. Broccolini, you want it nice and al dente. You don't want it too soft as well. Otherwise, it just goes really squishy. Potatoes smelling beautiful now. Korma sauce, check it seasoning. Delicious. Lamb is nicely sealed on one side. We're going to cook another 2 minutes on the other side. A bit of this almond dust on there. I usually like my lamb nice and pink, so more on the medium side. Just going to crispen these curry leaves. Check the cooking. Beautiful. All right, so let's plate this dish now. So I'm going to go korma sauce right in the middle and be nice and generous with it. Just going to arrange these smashed potatoes around it. Then goes in my lamb. On the left side, I'm going to have some of the delicious broccolini. Go generous with the onion. And just a touch of coriander all around. Beautiful crispy curry leaves. So you get the same sort of flavor every time you bite into that dish. So that's the lamb steak from Cassia with mashed potato, korma sauce, broccolini and onion.